We moved into our new build a couple of months ago, and it was finally time for us to set up our new living room. Welcome to Titus Space. This is Dara, and this is our 2024 living room setup. Of course, builder grade houses come pretty bare, so we started our living room setup with installing a DIY custom feature wall in black and gold, as the color scheme we chose for the living room is white, black, and gold. So check out our DIY feature wall video for a detailed explanation of how we installed this feature wall.
Moving on to my living room space right here, I do have this back box here. Now this was I picked it up from Amazon. It was about $50. It's a Leviton back box, so that essentially helps, gives me a recessed back box to be able to put things like my Apple TV, or just have that recessed mounting for any device or plugs that I might want to tuck back there. There's also a plug there as well, right up there, so that way it's not pushing out against the TV, because I've seen situations where people put the plug here, and by the time you plug your outlet into it, then it starts to kind of rest against the TV. But there's also a PVC flex down here, so I can also put stuff or plug whatever, say a console or whatever I want to plug down there. But I don't plan on doing that. I'm just gonna use a Samsung frame TV here and probably just a sound bar. Keep it nice and simple.
The TV also has the Govee backlight, just for that ambient and more immersive experience while watching TV. It also has the camera attached to it, so it kind of mimics what's going on the TV and around the TV, just to give the lighting that effect. The TV also already has a built-in Android TV, but we never really use that because it's just very laggy and doesn't really work for us. So we have and currently use the Amazon Fire Stick.
Play Wheels of Time on Prime Video.
Getting the Wheel of Time from Prime Video.
Our current TV is almost unusable in the daytime because, as you can see, we do have a lot of windows and a lot of lighting coming into the living room. A blackout shade will definitely help with light management and light control into the living room and help us see the TV better during the day, but Ty is not up for that and does not want anything restricting light flow. So
close the living room curtain.
Okay.
Hey Siri, Fireplace Blue Flame.
we had a Napoleon 42-inch fireplace installed by the builder. Although Ty prefers it to be much bigger, I like the size just the way it is. The flames are not real and are just simulated using LED, so the color of the flames can be adjusted and changed. Although it does generate heat and can be used to heat up the living room, this fireplace uses a conventional IR remote to control it, which sucks since our home is centered around smart technology and automation. So we fixed that problem with a Switchbot Hub. The Switchbot Hub 2 makes IR control available via the app. We can add this as part of a scene, automations, or routine to automate the fireplace using either Alexa or HomeKit. So one of the key things about our living room is that we wanted it to be bright and airy while still modern and minimal at the same time. So of course, when we finalized the building process, we immediately started shopping for furniture. We were looking for different booklet pieces and something that would mostly swivel for our accent chair, but the swivel options we found were not really stuff that we liked. So we ended up opting for the Diana booklet chair from Perfect Home Furniture. And for our sofa, we went with the Maggie sofa from Ashley Furniture. It's a off-white sofa and it's fabric, which is great because we know we were going for a lot of white and grays and cream. So we wanted something that would be easy to vacuum, easy to spot clean with our steamer. So this sofa has been perfect. The accent chairs as well have been great. Our center table is a combination of this nice marble coffee table I found at HomeSense. It was about $300, and this nesting table from Amazon. Black table with the table we found from HomeSense. We wanted a round table because we have a little boy and we just want to make sure that he's also able to enjoy the living room space with us. I love greenery, and with every space you always want to add a touch of green or nature. Something from the outside into your inside space just kind of gives it that lively look. I've tried real plants before and I just can't keep them alive. So we got this full bird of paradise tree from Amazon. It actually came as a 2-pack. It's 6-inch. There's always deals on it throughout the year, so definitely go on Amazon to check that out. And I have this eucalyptus branch in the middle of the living room. It's not too tall that it's obstructing the TV, but it still nicely ties the entire space together. And then there's this matte vase that I found on HomeSense as well. I looked on Amazon and they actually have dupes of it. For privacy and so that the entire neighborhood isn't looking into our house through our huge windows, we grabbed these 9-feet curtains from Amazon. They're sheer white, airy and bright, so it's really nice. And we got that automated with the Switchbot automatic curtain opener, and just gonna put that on our regular automation schedule for all the scenes that we already have pre-programmed into the HomeKit app. So we also installed a smart switch to be able to control and automate our lights.
Hey Siri, turn on the living room light.
We also have a 65-watt GAG duplex outlet for convenience of charging any device. With this outlet, we could charge our laptops and phones without a power brick. It has USB-C and USB-A on it. Our living room is still evolving. We're constantly changing things, adding things to it. But for right now, this is what we have. It's bright, airy, beautiful, and matches our lifestyle. We already have our automations going on because that's really important to us. And I'll be adding more and carrying you guys along with all the changes we'll be making in the future. Please make sure to support our channel, like, follow, subscribe, and thanks for watching.